Chandigarh University, a name which is already there in the limelight as far as its placements and training programs are concerned. One more step that CU is going to take today is the inauguration of a high-tech lab under the name Wipro Mission 10X Technology Learning Center. There are some of the faculty members of Chandigarh University who have undergone a training program to run these labs and the kits. So let's talk to one of them. Hello sir, may I know your good name and you're from which department?
My name is Kiran Jot Singh. I am from Electronics and Communication Department of Chandigarh University.
So I would wish to know about your experience as far as your training program was concerned.
It was really great experience. We came across a lot of new things and got a chance to learn them. We worked on UDLP kit, that is Unified Technology Learning Platform. So that kit has got a lot of capabilities. This kit has FPGA processors, OMAP processors, a lot of input-output ports and output peripheral devices. So we got lot of things to learn.
Next thing I would wish to ask you about what kind of benefits the Chandigarh University students will be taking out of these labs.
Actually, that kit has got a lot of capabilities. So the students, what they can think, they can program. They just have to imagine and burn that program on kit and see the things working according to them. So that kit is really amazing thing. It is unique in itself and you can program anything what you can imagine.
This initiative is called as Unified Technology Learning Platform. So as you see, there are three keywords, so to say. One is unified, second one is technology, and third one is learning. Our initiative basically focuses on improving learning, student learning. I mean, that's the end objective. It's not you as an individual who's performing which makes the project successful, but how can we work together and make the overall project successful? That's when the company survives.
Academic Alliance, we've been to many colleges. Now, if you look at Mission 10X, which was the prime the agenda for the entire team was to go to different colleges, universities. Now, what we have done is there are more than 1,400 such colleges we have visited in the last 5 years.
This lab is a first initiative that Wipro has taken today with Chandigarh University. So how do you visualize now this relationship?
It is all about a mutual handshake. They should be confident about their own abilities when they go and hit or sit in different interviews. And 2 years, I'm sure they will get immense exposure, and this is the beginning of the relationship. I can foresee a lot of fruits for the university, for the entire industry.
Students of Chandigarh University who have just got the offer letters from Wipro. So let's talk to them and let's talk about their experience right now, their feelings. So how are you feeling now?
Very immensely happy. It's a really splendid feeling for me. First and foremost, getting the offer letter with my mom. That's a very big feeling for me. And secondly, Wipro has been a dream company for most of us. And being placed in it on the very first attempt is really good feeling. And
Alright, as you can see, it's not a one-time shot. It's all that you have to be a good communicator, you have to be good on the technical part, you have to be an all-rounder as far as these kind of companies are concerned.